Alright, step 3 is dealing with importing and exporting and importing from your 3D package, which in this case is Maya, into UE4. So in the previous step, we made sure that everything was clean on our piece of geometry. Now we will File, Game Exporter. We want smoothing groups, tangents, and binormals. And then we want to change our up axis to Z to accommodate for UE4. Select a directory. Let's just toss it in my documents. Modular_geo. Oh, wait. This is just for the directory. There we go. And we'll name it here. Modular geo. Export selection. Everything looks good. Export. Export successful. Excellent. So now that that's done, let's move into UE4. Hello, welcome back. This is step 3, part 2 on the import process into Unreal. So I adjusted the default scene real quick just to give us a little more real estate to play around with. I'm going to import Modular Geo. We can auto-generate collisions. It's just a box. We want to uncheck generate lightmap UVs, because UE4 will automatically create a UV set and assign it as the second channel, which is actually the third set. We don't want that. We want to use what we created. So we're going to uncheck that. We don't need any materials or textures. And everything looks good. Import. And here is our geo. So if we drag it out, we see if we can put this on the grid. Oh wait. Alright, so really important, because this is centimeters, or the UE grid is in centimeters, we're going to want to switch it to 100. That's going to be a meter each grid, just like how we had it set up in Maya. So we'll click, snap. There we go. And as you can see, as I drag the cube along, it's perfectly snapping to this grid, just like in Maya. So let's take this guy. Let's put this down a bit. That's good. Turn snapping back on. Alright. So let's start building. So we're going to take this, Alt drag, Alt drag, Alt drag, Alt drag. So we got 5. Now let's just shift click, Alt drag, bam. So now we will shift click again. Alright, there we go. Move that up one, move that up one, that up one, let's move that over. Oh. Alright. There we go. Alright, let's bring it over now. Oh my. I don't like the height of that, because I want to run through it. So let's make this a little bit higher. I get some good cast shadows to show exactly what can go wrong with modular design. There we go. go. So if we play this, we can see the dynamic shadows are looking pretty good. So we haven't built or baked any lighting yet. Oh, yeah, see, we see some issues right there. So before we end this, let's just go into our static mesh properties. And look, so we get to see that it created our collision. Click on UVs. There's our channel 0. We'll go over UV channel 1. Here's our light map UVs. So now that we verified that, we imported, we created a quick little demo. Let's end it right here and pick up in step 4.